Assalamu alaikum class 7. The exercise is 11A and in the previous lecture we have done question number 6 to 12 and now we have to start to our next question, that is question number 13, and in this lecture we have to do question number 13 to question number 19. So question number 13 is 3 times 2x plus 5 minus 2x equals to 3 times x plus 6. So simply we have to find the value of x from this equation. So 3 times 2x plus 5, that means we have to multiply by 3 with the whole bracket and 3 with the whole bracket. So when we have to multiply by 3 with 2x, so 3 2s are 6x plus 3 times 5, that is 15, minus 2x as it is, equals to 3 times x, that is 3x, and 3 times 6, that is 18. Now you have to separate the like terms. 6x minus 2x and plus 3x will become negative 3x on the left hand side equals to 18. Positive 15 will become negative 15 on the right hand side. 6x minus 2x will become 4x. 4x minus 3x will become x equals to 18 minus 15, that is 3. So 3 is a solution set of this equation. Now the next question is question number 14. It's quite easy, that is 5x plus 2 times 2x minus 1. It means 2 is multiplying with the whole bracket equals to 3x minus 14. So firstly we have to open the bracket by multiplying 2 with the bracket. So 5x plus 2 to the 4x plus minus 2 1s are 2 equals to 3x minus 14. Now 5x plus 4x, that is 9x. 9x minus 2 equals to 3x minus 14. Now we have to separate the like terms on the left hand side. So 9x minus 3x equals to negative 14, minus 2 will become positive on the right hand side. So 9 minus 3, that is 6x, equals to minus 14 plus 2, that is negative 12. Now 6 is multiplying with x, it will be divided on the right hand side, that x is equals to negative 12 over 6. After the cancellation on the table 6, we get x is equals to negative 2. So negative 2 is the solution set of the equation. The next question is question number 15. That is 3 times x plus 4 plus 5 times x plus 3 equals to 2x minus 27. So 3 times x plus 4, that means you have to multiply by 3 with the whole bracket. 3 multiplied by x plus 3 multiplied by 4. So 3 times x, that is 3x, plus 3 times 4, that is 12. Positive 5x, 5 times x, that is 5x, plus 5 3 is 15, equals to 2x minus 27. Now we have to add or subtract the like term, that is 3x plus 5x, that is 8x, and the constants are plus 12 plus 15, that is plus 27, equals to 2x minus 27 because they are not the like terms. Now we are going to separate the like terms on the left hand side, that is 8x. Positive 2x will become negative 2x equals to negative 27. This positive will become negative on the right hand side. Now 8 minus 2, that is 6x, equals to minus 27 minus 27. That will become minus plus. So 27 plus 27, that is 54, and the sign of the larger term. But these two terms are equally same. So you have to put the negative sign with 54. So x, 6 is multiplying with x, so it will be divided on the right hand side, that is minus 54 over 6, and you will get x is equal to negative 9 after the cancellation on the table 6. So negative 9 is the solution set of this equation. Now we have to move to our next question, that is question number 16, that is ax plus b over c equals to cx plus b over a. Firstly we have to remove the denominator, so we have to multiply on both sides by LCM, that is AC. So AC is multiplying by each term. So there are 4 terms. So AC is multiplied by 4 terms. AC multiplied by AX plus B over C is multiplying by AC equals to AC is multiplying by CX plus AC is multiplying by B over A. Now there are 2 times A. So A square CX plus AB equals to A 2 times C, AC square X plus A is cancelled out with this A and you will get CB. Now you have to separate the like terms on the left hand side, that is a square cx minus ac square x equals to cb. AB will become negative on the right hand side, that is minus AB. Now you have to take the x as common because we have to find the value of x. So x into a square c minus ac square equals to, you have to take common b, so b into c minus a. But we have to find the value of x. So this factor is multiplying with x, so it will be divided on the right hand side. So b times c minus a over a square c minus ac square. Now you can see that there is something common in this equation. You can take ac as common and you will get the remaining terms in the bracket is a minus c. Now x is equals to b into c minus a over, you have to take minus ac as common. I will tell you the reason after this. Minus AC into, when you have to take the AC minus AC as common, the sign of the two terms will be changed, so it will become negative. And A is common, so 1A will remain in the bracket and C is common term. Minus will become positive because minus is common. So AC is common and the 1C will be right hand. So x is equals to b times c minus a over minus AC into minus a plus c. So negative sign, we have to take the negative sign common because the term in the numerator is c minus a. So we have to make it c minus a to cancel out it. So this is the reason behind this. So c minus a and this will also c minus a. So it will be written as c minus a. So they will be cancelled out and you will get your required answer, that is x is equals to negative b over ac is a solution set of the given equation. Now we have to move to our next question, that is question number 17. That is x minus a over L plus x minus b over m equals to AL plus BM over LM. So we have to find the value of x. So the value of x is involved in the two terms. So firstly we have to remove the denominators by multiplying on both sides by LCM, that is LM. So LM times x minus a over L plus LM times x minus b over m equals to LM times AL plus BM over LM. Now we have to do the possible cutting, that is this L will be cancelled out with this L, M is with this M and LM will be cancelled out with the whole term LM. Now the remaining terms are M times x minus a plus L times x minus b equals to AL plus BM. Now we have to open the bracket, that is mx minus ma plus lx minus lb equals to AL plus BM. Now we have to take x as common and x is involved in the two terms. So mx plus lx and x is common, so m plus l. And on the right hand side it will be AL plus BM. This MA will become positive and this negative L will also become positive LP. Now you have to take the L common because L is in the two terms. So A plus B and L is as common plus M is common, the remaining terms B plus A. So M plus L is multiplying with x, so it will be divided on the right hand side. And this L plus M will be cancelled with this M plus L. So you will get your required answer, that is x is equals to A plus B. The next question is question number 18. That is 4x plus 3 over 9 plus 2x over 5 equals to 3x plus 2 over 15. So the LCM of 9, 5 and 15 is 45. You can see here. So you have to multiply on both sides by 45. So 45 times 4x plus 3 over 9. 45 times 2x over 5 is equals to 45 times 3x plus 2 over 15. Now you have to do the possible cutting. 9 ones are 9, 9 5s are 45, 5 ones are 5, 5 9s are 45 and 15 ones are 15, 15 3s are 45. Now 5 times 4x plus 3 plus 9 times 2x equals to 3 times 3x plus 2. Now 5 4 the 20x plus 5 3 the 15 plus 9 2 the 18x equals to 3 3 the 9x plus 3 2 the 6. So you have to add the like term, that is 20x plus 18x. So 20x plus 18x will equals to 38x. This positive 9x will become negative 9x on the left hand side equals to 6. Positive 15 will become negative 15. Now 38 minus 9 you will get 29x equals to 6 minus 15, that is negative 9. So 29 is multiplying with x, so it will be divided on the right hand side. So x is equal to minus 9 over 29. That's the solution set of the given equation. The last question of this lecture is question number 19. That is 2x over 3 minus x over 4 equals to x over 5 minus x over 6 plus 23. Simply you have to take the LCM of these denominators. So 3, 4, 5, 6, the LCM will become 60. So for removing the denominators, we have to multiply on both sides by LCM, that is 60. So 60 times 2x over 3 minus 60 times x over 4, 60 times x over 5, 60 times x over 6 plus 60 times 23. Now we have to do the possible cutting, that is 3 ones are 3, 3 20 is 60, 4 ones are 4, 4 15 is 60, 5 ones are 5, 5 12 is 60, 6 ones are 6, 6 10 times 60, and 6 times 23, that is 1380. So 20 times 2x, that is 40x, 15 times x, that is 15x, equals to 12 times x, that is 12x, minus 10 times x, that is 10x, plus 1380. Now 40 minus 15, that is 25x, equals to 12x, minus 10x will become 2x, plus 1380. Now we have to separate the like terms on the left hand side. 25x minus 2x equals to 1380. Now 25 minus 2x will become 23x equals to 1380. So 23 is multiplying with x, so it will be divided on the right hand side. So x is equals to 1380 divided by 23. And after the cutting, you will get the answer is 60. So 60 is the solution set of this equation. Alright students, in the next lecture we have to finish this exercise 11a. So students, take care. Allah Hafiz.